Top 5 gadgets that would change your life. Number 5. Meta has achieved success with its Quest 2 VR headset, introducing millions to its metaverse. Now, they are preparing to launch 2 new headsets. The Meta Quest 3 will be an evolution of the consumer-focused line, while the Quest Pro targets professionals. Both headsets promise immersive experiences and pave the way for the future of VR. Meta is pushing boundaries and revolutionizing the VR landscape, ushering us into a new era of virtual exploration and connectivity. Number 4. The Apple Watch Ultra is a groundbreaking smartwatch designed to compete with high-end sports and luxury models. With a titanium shell for enhanced durability, a scratch-resistant screen, and a powerful S8 processor, it delivers exceptional performance. The extended battery life provides nearly double the usage time between charges. The inclusion of specialized sensors, such as a depth gauge and water temperature sensors, caters to diving enthusiasts and enhances the underwater experience. The Apple Watch Ultra combines craftsmanship, advanced technology, and purposeful features, setting a new standard in the smartwatch industry. Whether for sports, luxury, or diving, it offers unparalleled durability, innovation, and style. Number 3. DJI, the leader in consumer drone technology, introduces their latest innovation, the DJI Avatar. In recent years, drones have provided us with the excitement and creative possibilities of capturing breathtaking photos and videos. With a wide field of view headset, users can feel the exhilaration of high-speed flight as if they were on board the drone. The intuitive motion controller mimics a joystick for natural hand control, while the rugged design minimizes damage in case of accidental crashes. DJI Avatar combines innovation, immersion, and durability for an unforgettable drone flying adventure. Number 2. The GoCycle G4 revolutionizes electric bikes with its full foldability, addressing the portability limitations of previous models. It can effortlessly transform into a compact form, ideal for public transport or packing in a car for trips. The G4 offers the power, portability, and performance needed to serve as your primary mode of transportation, especially for urban dwellers. Investing in the G4 may be a justified choice, considering its convenience and suitability for city environments. Number 1. TimeKettle has introduced a groundbreaking lineup of AI-powered translation earbuds, claiming them to be the world's most advanced and powerful. Designed for professionals, casual users, and travelers, it offers real-time translation in various scenarios, including business meetings, travel conversations, and phone calls. These earbuds allow you to communicate naturally while they seamlessly translate your words. The premium versions even facilitate simultaneous conversations among 6 individuals, supporting 40 languages ranging from Arabic to Vietnamese. Experience the convenience of effortless multilingual communication with TimeKettle's sophisticated range of translation earbuds. Which gadget did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.